So today I have got a quick Amazon sticker haul. It is coming up on Halloween. It's fall right now, and I often do my sticker ordering through Shein or Temu. They average about $1 a piece or less, and I wasn't ready on time this year, so Amazon it was. But again, they actually weren't that bad, the majority of them. As far as pricing, they averaged probably about $1 a piece. First one I've got here, these ones were a little pricier. This is a 4-piece for $9. These are embossed, so they're nice and raised. They've got some nice French tips. It's not very big as far as size-wise, but still really cute. Some adorable designs there. I think this was the most expensive one for $9. And of course, I'll have all the links down below, so you can check them out on Amazon if you like. This one here was 6 for $7. 6-pack for $7. This one is embossed as well. I do love me some stickers. It just helps to make your designs move that much quicker if you're not a talented painter or you don't draw very well like me. I just struggle with that. I like to layer my art. I'm all about mixed media and doing all kinds of cool backgrounds and stuff like that, and then adding my image element as a sticker or a stamp. This one here, a lot less, was 10 stickers for $7. And as much as I do love stamping, and it is less expensive, it's a lot more versatile since you can change your colors, and if you have the right stamper, this one is adorable. This is really cute, really pink, cute stuff there. You can, change everything up a lot more with stamping, but this is just like full image, quick, easy. If you're stamping, you often have to layer or reverse stamp to get all those different color layers. So this can be a lot quicker. This one had some Mickey Mouse type images. See, something like this you can get out of a stamp. But again, when you're stamping, there's a lot more room for error. You're fussing with it a lot more. This is a weird one. I'm not so sure about this. This looks more like a anti-Valentine's than it does Halloween, even though it says Halloween on it, but it looks a little more anti-Valentine's, but still. This is very interesting with the eyeballs and the spider webs. I like that. Some really adorable skull heads. Those are cute. I like these ones. I really like the pastel skull. I'm not familiar with this worm boy, but this makes me think of Invader Zim, which I absolutely love. So this is really cute. I like that. And this has got some movie. Looks like the nun there. I don't know. The ring maybe. So yeah, when you're stamping, it doesn't always work the first time or the second time or the third time, and it's a lot more finicky, so you can end up fighting with it a lot longer. This pack here, another good price, even though there's much smaller stickers or much smaller sheet of stickers. It's 12 for $9. And these, while they're not embossed, they are a little bit raised, so you can feel a little bit of raised on there. Nice blood red happening. Lots of eyeballs. I like this one. Again, in these packs, I like this one too. You don't always get, necessarily that you like all of them, but they have a pretty good assortment. And typically I pick packs that it's like, even if I don't think I'm going to use every one of them, more often than not, like this page right here. Yeah, I don't know, but that branch is cool. We got some bats, which are cool. So there's usually, you know, something out of every sheet that's going to be usable. This one, I don't know. This one is not doing it for me. But if one sheet, oh, there's a bat. Oh, I like these little sprites. Okay, so again, you know, there's going to be probably at least a thing or two that might work for you. And again, quick and easy. Like, I suffer at trying to do spider webs, and I love spider webs, but hand painting, yeah, it's always a fight for me. We got 7 packs to get through here, so all right. This one is 9 sheets for $9. Now this is going more, this is out of Halloween and kind of into fall. So this is interesting. I've never seen before where in a pack you're getting 2 different sizes. So there's some smaller ones and some bigger ones, but it's okay. I really love the fall colors. And I love when they do these. Like, I have spider gel, and I do use the spider gel to do the swipes and stuff, which can make for a really interesting extra dimensional effect. But it's always fun when they have it on there already. Those will make some French tips quick and easy. I like the look of that one too. And these ones are bigger. These will do nice on some really long nails. Cute little owls. And just fall leaves, fall leaves. And then this one, nope, not the same, but looks similar to the first ones. There we go. Getting close to the end here. Now these ones all came individually packaged in a set. I did take all the wrapping off because it saves time when I'm trying to show them off. So these are a very thin and delicate sticker with much more muted colors. This will be really nice for like November, going into closer to winter, late fall. We have some adorable little squirrels, although they kind of look like hamsters. Very much like hamsters. Very cute though. Mushrooms, lots of mushrooms. Mushrooms are very popular. Some fall butterflies with our leaves. We got some more fall leaves and vegetables and mushrooms. Same here, lots of reds. And then some yellows. The words. Those would be good to add too. All right, so the last one, this was my favorite one. I actually bought 2 packs of it. Again, they came individually. These ones were 6 for $7.50. And while I don't think they advertised them as embossed, they are raised, not like super embossed 5D or whatever they call it. But yeah, they do definitely have a raised effect to them. I just love these little skeleton animals. They're so cute. I just really liked the style of the design on these stickers. Like, the ghosts are just cute. Very cute. These guys are cute. Very much a cutesy set. Well, not all of the stickers, but most of these very cute. This one I'm excited to use. This one's not cute. I'm excited to do with a glow in the dark. Got some really fabulous glow in the dark, or even maybe one of my thermal color changing ones. That'll look really neat. Raised skulls. These are like, the detail on these stickers, these particular ones, are really nice. The images are just really good, really well done. And then this was the last one. strawberries. I'm not so sure about strawberry skulls, but I really like the spider skulls, and the roses are good. Strawberry skulls, I don't know. That's really different, but kind of cool at the same time. Got some neat lips. And then, yeah, I bought a second set of them because I just thought I would have a blast with these. So there you have it. That was, I think there's almost 60 stickers here, and they averaged about $1 a piece, some a little bit more and a few quite a bit less. And these are going to make for some fantastic quick sets that I can layer over cat eyes and, you know, glow in the darks and do some ombre effects in the background, stuff like that, to really jazz them up and yet put a quick image on so that I'm not having to painstakingly attempt to paint things and draw things out when I'm no good at it. So yeah, lean into your strengths, and drawing is not my strength. Layering stuff, that's my strength. And collecting stickers, I love it. So yeah, these will be fun, fall, Halloween. Don't forget, subscribe so you can check out more of these videos. I'm always buying stuff, always checking out different products. And sometimes I'm even making nails. So you never know. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a good one. Bye.